What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And I know I haven't been here in a while, but I got a lot of stuff planned off for y'all. In this video today, I'm gonna show y'all how I customize my own 38-inch wig. So this is my first time sewing a full wig, y'all. When I say it's so smooth, like this, why I see why people like to get that wigs made, because it's so full, y'all. Because I normally order my wigs online from the Korean or Chinese people, and by my head being small, it didn't matter if they wasn't that full, but now I can tell the difference. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, and hopefully you guys can learn something new. Alright, y'all. So first I started with the bleaching. I feel like you have to bleach your knots in order to get this seamless melted look. And a lot of people don't want to bleach it, but you gotta do that because it's not gonna look right if you don't. These are the 38-inch bundles that I got for my homegirl. She was selling them for like $85, $95 a bundle. Normally I'll buy like a whole wig, but I wanted to try something different. I knew I was able to do sew-ins and quick weaves and stuff like that. So I was like, well, I got the bundles. Let me go ahead and give it a try. So I had got this frontal from an older wig. Like, I keep all my old wigs, and I'm so glad I do because they come in handy. This is 2 bundles. So I wanted to show y'all how I look with 2 bundles. I used both of the 38-inch bundles. And actually, I needed to add more hair because even though it was flat after I did it, it was just like, I just wanted, it's like the 38-inch was so thin at the ends. Like, I did not like that. So I added another bundle to the back to give it more thickness at the end. So this is when I finished. I wanted you guys to see. I added the braids so that you can see how good the lace look. But I did take them out because they weren't that neat, and yeah, I just wanted to go for this straight look. So now you can see it's fuller at the ends. I flat ironed the hair, gave it a little shine, tried to do like a little design with the braids. It was kind of cute, but I was feeling it at first. Then I was like, no, it look kind of frizzy. I just need to take all the braids out and flat iron all the hair. So that's what I did. I took that braid out too. And this is, a close-up of, I had this wig for like a year. So that lace is not old, but it's old. And here she go, y'all, looking shiny, looking full, looking thick, looking good. I love it. Like, it's just the maintenance is going to be a lot because when you get longer hair, it tends to, you got to flat iron it. And it gets to be annoying after a while. It's like wanting the long stiletto nails, but hating to deal with them, because I be hating So this is before I flat iron it, when I just finished the wig. Hope you guys enjoy the video.